Molten aluminum, precisely prepared, forms the crucial foundation for every AMPV component. Raw materials arrive, fueling the AMPV production line. Precision engineering guides each multi-ton component into place. Skilled American hands prepare the intricate jigs for perfect alignment. Every component is meticulously positioned, a testament to American precision. Robotic precision begins shaping the formidable AMPV hull. Each weld, a testament to enduring strength and superior American engineering. The AMPV hull emerges, a foundation built with robotic precision and unwavering quality. American welders meticulously fuse robust armor plates, forming the AMPV's resilient hull. Working in confined spaces, welders ensure every crucial internal structure meets rigorous military standards. Every weld undergoes stringent inspection, guaranteeing the AMPV's unparalleled durability.
Yeah, that's a good bead.
With each finished weld, the AMPV hull gains formidable strength, ready for the next stage. Massive AMPV hulls begin their transformation, precisely rotated for initial component mounting. Skilled hands begin the critical task of drilling, ensuring perfect alignment for vital systems. Each hole is meticulously tapped, preparing threads for secure attachment of critical components. With initial machining complete, the hull rotates, revealing its growing complexity.
All right, let's review the next section of the build.
Pulling up the schematics now, we should be ready to proceed.
Heavy-duty suspension units are meticulously assembled for the formidable AMPV Bradley. Critical bolts are torqued to exact specifications, ensuring structural integrity. Each suspension unit undergoes rigorous inspection for unwavering quality. Ready for integration, the completed suspension unit moves to the next assembly stage. Precision begins with meticulous preparation, ensuring every component meets exacting standards. Skilled American hands carefully populate circuit boards, the heart of the AMPV's advanced systems. Dozens of colored wires are precisely connected, bringing complex control modules to life. Every connection undergoes rigorous inspection, guaranteeing flawless operational integrity. The subassembly seamlessly integrates, forming vital links within the AMPV's broader architecture. Skilled American mechanics meticulously prepare each component, ensuring precision at every stage.
Check the clearance on the input shaft bearing.
Looks good. Torque set to 150. Verified.
Bring
With
it down
expert
another inch,
coordination,
slowly.
the
Watch
powerful
alignment.
engine and transmission begin to converge, a critical
Clear. We are
moment.
engaged.
High torque bolts are meticulously secured, creating an unbreakable bond for the powertrain's heart. The completed AMPV Bradley powertrain, a fusion of power and precision, stands ready for the next phase. Skilled American hands begin the critical assembly of the AMPV's robust drivetrain components. Precision machinery presses bearings into housings, forming the foundation of durable track systems. With expert precision, components are fitted onto axles, ensuring the AMPV's reliable mobility. American skilled workers guide the powerful engine and transmission into its designated place. With steady hands and expert coordination, the team aligns the complex unit. The heart of the AMPV Bradley armored vehicle seamlessly integrates into its formidable shell. Securely fastened, the AMPV powertrain is now ready for critical connection and integration. Another critical step completed, moving the AMPV Bradley closer to battlefield readiness. Skilled American technicians meticulously integrate the AMPV's intricate internal systems.
60 foot-pounds.
Complex electrical harnesses are painstakingly integrated, powering
Looks
vital
good here.
vehicle
Matches
functions.
the diagram exactly.
Portable lamps illuminate the tight spaces, guiding every meticulous action.
Check the torque on that fuel line, B. It's secured at 75, A. Moving to the next one.
Every connection is secured, every line verified, ensuring mission readiness. Pre-assembled
Now,
torsion
down
bar
another inch
units
on the
are
left.
precisely guided
that.
into position,
Steady
forming the
descent.
vehicle's resilient
Steady.
foundation. High-powered tools secure the suspension, solidifying the AMPV's rugged and dependable chassis. Durable road wheels, vital for mobility, are carefully staged for immediate installation onto the AMPV. Final adjustments and checks guarantee each road wheel
And that's the
is
final check.
perfectly
Looks
aligned
good.
and ready for duty.
Check the wear on this segment right here.
Looks within tolerance, but let's double check the specs.
Skilled hands guide the robust track,
Okay,
initiating
easy
the
now.
intricate
50mm more?
connection to the
Got
AMPV.
it. What's the line?
Okay, hold it steady right there.
Got it. Pin gun going in.
Precision alignment ensures each track segment integrates flawlessly, guaranteeing battlefield readiness.
Lift it slowly. Okay, push to the left. Clear. Keep pulling, we're almost there. Hold it steady. Okay, clear the area, I'm driving the pin.
The final tensioning and meticulous inspection prepare the AMPV for its demanding role. Skilled American hands begin the critical task of sealing the vehicle's protective shell. Each heavy crew hatch is meticulously aligned, a vital layer of defense for the soldiers within. Advanced sealing techniques ensure the AMPV's interior remains impenetrable to threats. The robust exterior takes shape, preparing the AMPV for the challenges of the battlefield. The AMPV enters the paint booth, a crucial step for durability and stealth. Robotic precision ensures a flawless, even primer coat, vital for protection. Precision robotic arms prepare to apply the advanced chemical agent resistant coating. Complex patterns emerge as multiple layers of chemical resistant paint are precisely applied. The iconic multicolor Kark camouflage fully adorns the formidable AMPV Bradley. The fully painted AMPV emerges, a testament to precision engineering, ready for its ultimate trials. Skilled technicians prepare the powerful Cummins engine for its inaugural test, ensuring precision. The formidable Cummins diesel roars to life, its power echoing through the sealed test chamber. The AMPV's robust suspension system is rigorously tested on challenging terrain. Precision engineering ensures unmatched stability and resilience for combat readiness. Every AMPV undergoes rigorous water testing, ensuring absolute watertight integrity. The completed AMPVs emerge, a testament to American engineering. Built for speed and resilience, the AMPV rapidly deploys soldiers into action.
Keep moving, stay tight on the vehicle. Watch the left flank. Keep moving, stay tight on the vehicle. Watch the left